Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome bread snacks that are sandwiches and very easy to make and super delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. You'll need to grate one medium-sized zucchini, then one big carrot, and 100 grams of cheese. You can add more cheese if you want to. In a bowl, add all the 3 ingredients. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it. Then let's cut our pieces of bread. I'm using white bread. Get the bread and add the mixture of the ingredients. When it's all done, you can put it into an oven pan and send them into the oven in 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. When they're all done, plate them and try them out. They're delicious, healthy, and super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.